to my channel. Today I'm gonna make another trendy food. It is called Roja Jimtak, meaning that braised chicken with a Roja pasta sauce. You may wonder why I categorize this as a Korean food. To be precise, it is a fusion Korean food because it is made of a red pepper paste. It is very popular among Korean mukbang YouTubers. So if you're ready, let's dive in. Pour 4 cups of water in a pot and boil this with a soju and soy sauce to remove any kind of smell from chicken. I'll let them simmer for 20 minutes in a medium heat. You can see that a lot of things come up on the surface of water. After 20 minutes, strain them and wash them with running water. This is the last thing you do to remove any kinds of impurities in a chicken. Leave it on the side and let's prepare our glass noodle. Put ample amount of water in a bowl with a thick glass noodle. It doesn't really matter if you use a thin one. However, a thick glass noodle is chewier than a thin one. So I understand why many YouTubers prefer to eat a thick glass noodle. It'll take about 30 minutes to make waters absorbed into glass noodle, so make sure to prepare in advance. Slice the vegetables. I'm gonna put an onion, carrot, and potatoes. Slice them into a bite. You may remember that Korean food is all about color play, but I'm not gonna do this at this time. Because Roja pasta sauce will cover up all the colors of vegetables. It'll end up turning into the same red color. If you want more veggies, you can add more of it. Put 1 spoon of oil in a pan and put all the vegetables inside. Stir them all together with a pinch of salt. Stir all the ingredients for 6 minutes in a medium heat. Then put a chicken and pinch of pepper inside. Put 1 cup of fresh cream and Roja pasta sauce in a pan. Also, put half a cup of water. Then, put 1 spoon of garlic, 3 spoons of starch syrup, and 2 spoons of red pepper paste. To my surprise, red pepper paste really goes well with a pasta sauce. I guess that's why people are crazy about this food. Mix them all together using a wooden spoon. Then put a glass noodle in the middle. I'm gonna hide them underneath so that it'll be cooked easily. I'll let them simmer in a medium heat for 20 minutes. Don't forget to stir them for every 5 minutes so that it will not be burned at the bottom. After 20 minutes, the stock becomes so thick and creamy. Turn off the heat and place them on a dish. And sprinkle a parsley on top. It looks so delicious. It is creamy, soft, and chewy. I'll give a round of applause to a person who have invented this food. So if you like my recipe, try it in your home and hashtag my channel in Instagram or Twitter. And please subscribe my channel for more recipe ideas. See you next time. Bye bye!